We need to show that f bar is equal to r bar divided by r square is irrotational, and we also need to find phi such that f bar is equal to minus of del phi, and where r is xi plus yj plus zk. So that's my position vector. So first I have f bar is equal to r bar divided by r square. Let's prove this is irrotational. To proving irrotational, I need to find curl of f bar, where it is del cross f bar. So which I can write as, first is I bar, j bar and k bar. So here it becomes dou by dou x, dou by dou y and dou by dou z, which comes to be, here I have, see students, what is r bar? That is xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. So each term will be dividing by r square. So I can write the coefficient of I is x divided by r square, y divided by r square and z divided by r square. So now let's find curl of this. So curl will be, the first, when I write I bar, this will be multiplying to dou by dou y into z divided by r square minus dou by dou z multiplying to y divided by r square. So that's my I bar minus j bar. I can write here. So when you write j bar, so dou by dou x multiplies to z divided by r square minus dou by dou z multiplies to x divided by r square, and the third term is plus k bar. So it will be dou by dou x multiplies to y by r square minus dou by dou y multiplies to x by r square. So now after this we can say that here with respect to y, here with respect to z, obviously differentiation will be 0. Here with respect to x, 0. Here with respect to z, it is 0. With respect to x, the function is y, 0. The function is x, 0. But now students, when you do with respect to y, understand that there is r square also. That means you need to first differentiate r square. That means it will be minus 2 by r cube. It will be minus 2 by r cube, and further I can write with respect to r, I need to differentiate r with respect to y, which will be giving me y by r, but there is already z which is constant. Then next is minus, here when you differentiate with respect to z, I get this as minus, so already minus is there, this becomes plus 2 by r cube, and further it will be z by r, because with respect to z, so zy by r, which will be giving me, this both terms get cancelled and this will be nothing but 0. Similarly, when you do this, you get 0 here plus k, you get 0 here. Now I can say I got 0i plus 0j, so write a bar please, and 0k. So finally I can say that therefore f bar is irrotational, and that's my completion of problem. Thank you for watching video in 5 minutes.